Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today we're going to open this package. I'm so excited. It's because I ordered it from Pandasha. You can see naman the website. I ordered it here and it's all snacks, and I just ordered it like 3 days ago, I think. And then it arrived. It arrived today and I'm so happy. And yeah, and I've already ordered from this company, I think two, three, four times already, and they always arrive. And I've been making videos, just like this, unboxing, showing what I've been buying. And then the last time when I was in the Philippines, the company contacted me actually, and they were so happy about the video. They just, randomly saw it in YouTube. Then they sent me a message saying they were happy that I made a video or something like that. And then because of that, they gave me like 300 kroner discount if I decide to order in the future. So that 300 kroner I used for this order. Yes, and lahat ng binili ko are all snacks. These are snacks from different Asian countries. I mean, in this company, you can order a lot of Asian goodies. It can be from the Philippines, product from the Philippines. It can be from Japan, from Korea, all those from Thailand. So yeah, that's why I'm just so happy. I love snacks. Who doesn't like snacks, right? So now we're opening it up. Opening it up. I'm so ready with my scissor. By the way, I just came home from work, and then I got the message that I can already pick up the package, so I did. And yeah, now I got something to eat today. Whoa, look at that. Look at all the lists that I bought. I mean, it's actually really, see? And it's all, I think, on sale, or if not on sale, really cheap, like in 10 crowns, 13 crowns, those kind of prices, because and this is the last one. Yes, because I just really wanted to try their products. Anyway, na-open ko na guys. My God! Okay, the first product, seaweed snacks. Look at that. Ganyan. Sinong may gusto ng mga ganyan? Because I really like it. I like this. I've tasted this before and it was so good. So I buy it again. And this one is, look at that. I can't read it, but I know it's good. It's like something that you can eat and it will pop up inside your mouth. Yeah, this product is from Japan. Nice. And then we got candies. Bone Tea Green Lemon. That's also nice. I have not tasted this yet, and this is from Korea. What else? Oh my God. And this is from, everybody knows this. All the Filipinos knows this. Look. Ta-da! From the Philippines! What else? If you can hear there's noise there, it's Martin. He's talking with his friend and they're crazy. And then the next one, prawn crackers. This is from where? This is from where? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. I don't know where it is from, but it looks good. See? Maybe China. Yumsy. Crackers. I love crackers. Next, I mean, I love everything. And this one, look. Dun. Actually, there's so much. Oh my God, but I'm not gonna eat it in one sitting because, yeah, that's too much. And then this one, what is the flavor? Mango flavor. Ding! Nice. And this one is mochi. Oy, nahulog pa. Look at that. Mochi. Mochi. Who loves mochi? I love mochi. I love mochi always. And then, oh my God. Grabe naman to. Okay, andito pa. O, ganyan. Alam na alam natin kung ano yan. Philippines snacks. What else? Wasabi mix. This can actually be really good. You know, I like a little bit of spice. So I'm excited for that. Oh my God, if only I can just open everything now and just eat it. But no, I can't do that. This is too much. And this is original flavor piece. Look. Grabe no, ang dami. Ang dami. And then we got this. Ganyan. Ito magugustuhan to ni Martin. Ito yung mga gusto niya. But then I can give it to him. And then there's also here. White cookie flavor. That's also yummy. And then what else? What else? I'm so excited. Oh my God. This is both spicy. And then this is, I think, is very, very good. Seafood. Mixed seafood snack. There. And this one is also the same. It got, I mean, different flavor. Both are spicy, but the other one is called, I don't know, larb. And then the other one called nambrik. But anyway, both are spicy. That's gonna be amazing. And then I got this Bombay mix Indian snacks. Oh, my representative din yung India. There. My Filipino, my Korean, my Thai, my Japan. At, yeah, parang yung isa Chinese doon. And then this one, onion ring, made from Korea. Oh my God, ang dami. And then this one here is, looks good. From Japan. And this one, ta-da! Oh my God. So much. Yeah, it's so nice actually. I'm so happy. I'm so happy with this. And of course, I'll be eating it like one by one. I will not open everything because I don't want it to spoil, you know. So I'll be eating all of this one by one. Of course, Martin is gonna have some also. So yeah, I'm just happy. Sino pang hindi gusto ng mga snack, diba? Especially yung alam mo yung parang you've been working so much and all that, and you wanna have a break, you know? And a break and just enjoy, ganyan. So ito yung mga snacks na, and of course I know there will be some who say, oh, that's very unhealthy, oh, kidney problem, this and that, but take it easy. I'm gonna eat it like one at a time. So yun, oh my God, what should I eat first? Okay, I will start with this. We'll open one, just one, because I always love a mochi. Where's my sea salt? Okay, there. And Martin, he doesn't like mochi actually. I think it's an acquired taste. I think Asians love it, but not so much with people here, like the Danish people. Oh, there's still package there. And then I start with a small one. Shucks, it's so cute. Start with this. Ooh. So good. Look. Right inside. It's good. This is actually, when you look at it, you expect it to be so sweet, and that's also too much, right? But this one actually is not that sweet, but I really like it. It's more on the dark taste, like dark chocolate. Of course, it's cacao. My god, it's so good. I'm like, should I open another one? No, maybe later, because dinner is about to be served. So after dinner, mag-open na naman tayo ng iba. My god, it's good. Sarap niya. This one I'll eat later. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. My god, can I open everything? No. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kung feel nyo yung mga in-order ko dito, and if you're in Denmark, you can also visit the website Pandasia, PANDASIA.deco. Tapos, there's a lot of products to choose from. There's also a lot of sale actually. And it's not just snacks, it's not just food. There's also other things that's non-food, you know. It could be like a knife, something like that. I actually bought my rice cooker from there. Not me, Martin bought it from there, and he gave it to me. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. See you next time.